In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to ShareFile. Now, this is going to depend on who you want to add to ShareFile because there's a bunch of different options. If you are here on the Home tab on the dashboard, you want to click on Create New User over here, and that way you can go to Manage Users and create new users. So as you can see, the same thing is going to happen if you go to People here on the left and you click on Manage Users Home, and then from here you can see you can basically create an employee by clicking on over here, just like this, and then go through these steps over here and click on Create and Continue. Or you could also create an, of course, different person, because if I go to Manage here, you could just create a client contact. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to type in their name, for example, sample user, and it's going to be this email I'm actually using over here, like this. There we go. You can add another as well, and you can of course select and assign folders, and then click on Create and Continue. And just like this, of course, if you want to assign folders, it's going to prompt you again. I'm just going to continue anyway, and there we go. User has been created. If I go to Manage Users over here inside Employees, or of course Client Contacts, I'll be able to find that specific person. That's how to add someone. That's the first way. But if you want to go to Client Hub, you can also go to All Clients over here, and you can create a client from here, either import or create a new one. If you click on Create a new one, again over here, you want to select if they are individual or company. I'm going to go individual, and I'm going to create new. It's going to be the same one, sample user, and of course I'm going to add the same email I used earlier as well. So it's going to be like this. There we go. And then I'm just going to go and go down here. You can of course select the internal display name. And if it exists already, as you can see, it's going to prompt you can't do it again. So you can then just hit the create button whenever you put all this in, and you are good to go. You've added someone to ShareFile. But if you want to add them to folders, go to folders on the left, and then select your folder. I'm going to go into personal here, and I'm going to click on this folder over here, and then I'm going to hit the people button. And from here, add people to folder. Now from here, you want to select the person. So I'm going to look for example, here, sample user. There we go. I'm going to click on it, and they're now added on here. And you can, of course, apply the permissions over here, the alerts and notifications, hit the add button, and that's going to add them to that specific folder. Okay. So those are all the ways to add people to ShareFile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.